and happy Thursday. We have a look right now at the temperatures that we're expecting actually by 10 a.m. I wanted to show you this because for those inland valley communities, although we don't have a heat advisory in place today, it's still going to be pretty hot and it's going to warm up pretty quickly. So taking a look at that, San Miguel will be right around the low 80s by 10 a.m. Same thing for Shandon, but California Valley actually could be pretty close to 90 degrees by 10 a.m. So as you can see, that's how quickly things are going to heat up for those inland valleys. Santa Ynez and Los Alamos will be closer to the low to mid 70s. Here's a look at your satellite radar. It is showing some cloud cover, just kind of pushing into the South Coast region. It's a little difficult to see it on this map, but it's starting to fill in and it will continue to move in that northerly direction. So it could have impacts here on the Central Coast. We could have cloudy skies by this afternoon. Current temperatures outside show we have a range from about the low 50s to the low 60s, just depending on where you are. And a look at your microclimate model here gives better detail to that cloud cover off the South Coast. So if we just look ahead to 7 o'clock, starts to fill in a little bit more, and then we'll continue to move north into San Luis Obispo County off of our coastline and then possibly fill in by the afternoon. And that will continue through this evening and those overnight hours. You can see it right there, and it will possibly produce some light drizzle along the South Coast region if it decides to linger there through early Friday morning. Wind forecast looks a little different today. It will be slightly breezy by this afternoon. Even for this morning, some areas towards our South Coast have winds right around 10 miles per hour. But what you can expect for the inland valley communities is for these wind gusts to be closer to 25 miles per hour and then closer to about 15 to 20 mile per hour wind gusts towards the coastal valleys and some of our beaches. Just a quick look here at what we're expecting over your weekend. That low pressure system will move in that northeasterly direction, and there's actually a possibility it could produce about 20% chance of showers early Saturday morning before 11 a.m. Here's a look at your daytime high. So you can see it's still warm today. Mid 90s for Paso, mid 80s for San Luis Obispo, upper 70s along the South Coast in Santa Barbara. And we'll be right around the low to upper 80s for the Santa Ynez Valley, mid to upper 70s for your 5 cities region, and temperatures along the North Coast close to the upper 60s. Back to you.
Thanks, Brooke. The time